Alright folks, after leaving Stockton, our next station is Modesto. And we got Turlock Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and final destination of this train is Bakersfield. And we're slowing down, and because there's going to be another train that's going to go by and like pass through my side just a bit. So yeah. Dude, Surfliners, that's definitely sound like 6951's old horn, which now moved to Cabcar 6900. This is 6963. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. That's it. Live in Escalon, folks. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out. Until next time.